your vision.
To Deactivate. Today I'm gonna do a tutorial about fixing a popular problem when you are installing a new WordPress. As you can see now, this website is a new website. I just transferred it from another host. So it's if you type in the website address, mostly this is the first interface you will see, especially when you are using the host I'm using right now. The host I'm using right now, it's a bit challenging to install WordPress. It's called Elite Host. So now you can see if I type in, just wait, let me load my computer. You see, if I type in the website address, this is the first interface before you install WordPress. So I want to show you one thing. When I install WordPress, this is my installation now. Even if I put a password, even if I don't hide it, you won't use it. You won't use it because I will just delete this password. It's just for demonstration purposes. See? So here we are. So I want you to check what will happen after I install the new WordPress. There comes the new WordPress. We are ready to get a new website. So just give me a few minutes, then you'll see what will happen if I type in the website address. So it's a popular problem. It's a popular problem. Most people they get it challenging to solve this issue, and they end up losing a lot of money. But it's a simple thing which can be solved by almost anyone if you know how to go around it. So at Deactivate, that's part of our mission. We want our clients also to make things easy for them. So here is what happens now. I've just installed a new WordPress. Then I want to take the website address from here, copy. Then here we go. Then here we go. You will see that there is no website, or the website now is pointing to directory browsing. You see now there is no website, or there is no WordPress. So it's showing the files in the file manager instead of the WordPress which we just installed. You would expect a new WordPress to automatically pop out like what you see. This is the expected interface when you type in a newly installed WordPress from the web address. So I'll go to where the problem originates from. So the issue is about the directory which you installed the WordPress, because this host allows you to install. You can install as many WordPresses as possible. So the problem is here now. Let me just come to the problem. The problem is here. Oh, my internet is slow. Hope I can change I can change it soon, because having a slow internet connection ruins everything. Okay, here now here check where the problem originates from. The problem originates from here. You can solve it by, when we installed a new WordPress, this is the other solution to that problem. Then I will do another new installation, so that I automatically point out where the problem comes from. So here, this WP is the directory which I installed WordPress. Instead of installing WordPress with a blank one, so that it points to the URL or to the domain we have, you see it has an extension WP. So you can just come here, then you remove the WP, then you update, you save. You would expect the website now to behave normal. If I go to the website now, if I do it again, I hope this will fix the problem. Oh, the problem comes again. So that one didn't fix anything. So now let me delete this WordPress and show you where the problem originates from. The problema, as the Spanish say, un problema originates from here. Now I'm deleting the WordPress now, so I'm installing a new one. Okay, so I have successfully uninstalled the WordPress I had just installed a few minutes ago. Now I'm installing a new one with a password which I want to be the main password, which means I will have to edit this tutorial so that you don't come into my website. So here's the problem. The problem is here. When you are installing, make sure that this WP directory, this is the directory where the website is gonna be located. Make sure it's blank, then you are done. You will be done. Okay, so let me do just a quick one. I will blur this part, or I will have to change the password. I think so. Or let me hide it. Yes, I have successfully hidden it. No one will get into this website. Okay, so now we have done the bits and pieces. So I'm about to show you now if the problem has been solved. If it has been solved, if you didn't understand, I hope you can give me a call. I will be happy to assist in help you so that you get your website up and going without any problems. Yeah, then now I'm installing a new WordPress with a new and secure password into it. My email, which I will change. Yes, with an email which I will change. Okay, here we go. Installing a new WordPress. Installing a new WordPress. Okay, here we go. We are installing a new WordPress. Yeah, so let me show you if I was successful. Now let's take the the website address, or as we call it, the domain. Then see if I, the technician, managed to solve this problem. So let's see if I, like, here we go, boom. Now we have successfully solved that problem. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any problems with WordPress, feel free to contact us and check the link in the description below. If you need a good web designer with a good, designing something good and who put your dream into reality, just contact us. Click the link in the description below. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, like, comment and share. I'll be happy to assist you in anything. And if you subscribe, we post so many tutorials regularly about WordPress issues that may affect people in South Africa and the world over. And also we post about digital marketing, content, and a lot other things. So yeah, I would say if you are keen to learn more about WordPress or about digital marketing or about anything related to websites, please subscribe, so that we also are motivated to keep on doing these tutorials. So I'm signing off.